In this video, you'll learn how to join Wecasa as a massage therapist. This guide will walk you through the application process and provide important information about the requirements and benefits of working with Wecasa. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Wecasa professional application page. Enter the url.wecasa.co.uk/pro into the address bar and press the enter key. This will take you directly to the application site where you can start your journey. Once the page loads, you should see an overview of the benefits of joining Wecasa as a massage therapist. Take a moment to review this information as it highlights the flexibility and independence that come with this role. If you are ready to proceed, look for a button labeled Join Us or similar and click on it to initiate your application. After clicking the button, you will be directed to registration form where you need to provide your personal information. Fill in the required fields, including your name, contact details, and any relevant qualifications. Ensure that you have your massage therapy diplomas or certifications ready, as you may need to upload proof of your experience. Next, you will be asked to provide your unique taxpayer reference number, or UTR, which is mandatory for self-employment in the UK. If you do not have a UTR yet, you will need to apply for one through HMRC. Keep in mind that this is essential under the 2026 regulations, and without it, your application cannot proceed. If you are on a visa, be aware that student visas do not allow for self-employment. However, if you hold a graduate visa, you are permitted to work independently for up to 2 years after completing your studies. Make sure you have this information ready, as it may be required during the application process. After you've completed the form, review your information carefully to avoid any mistakes. Once you are satisfied, submit your application. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your application has been received. Keep an eye on your email for further instructions or updates regarding your application status. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.